Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to connect ConvertKit to Google Forms. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a free trial link. First, you'll need a Zapier account to connect the two platforms. Go to your Zapier dashboard, click Create, and then select Zaps. If you need help, the Copilot is there to guide you. Next, select ConvertKit and Google Forms from the list of apps and enter the required details. To connect ConvertKit, click Sign In and input your API key, which you can find under Developer Settings in your ConvertKit account. Paste it and click Yes, Connect. Now log into your Google Forms account using your Google credentials. After that, configure your settings for the integration and click Publish. And that's it! Your Google Forms are now connected to ConvertKit, helping you automatically add form responses to your email list. Thanks for watching.